Hi everyone, this is Jennae from Jennae's DIY Studio, and today we're gonna work the owl's eyes. Okay, so we're gonna do this type of eyes. We're gonna do sleepy eyes for the unicorn owl. Now for this part, you only will need, I have a long yarn, I will say like 2 to 3 feet, just in case, you know, because I want to be able to sew the project. And we will need the tapestry needle and the scissors. Okay, so here I'm putting my yarn in the needle, and you see I have it long so I can move my hand. Now you have to see your owl and you have to check what you want to do. Okay, in my case, this one I did like a U, but you see that here is more as a U shape, and here goes more as a V, and it only has 2 eyelashes. I have another one that has 3 eyelashes, but they're down. It all depends on how you want the eyes. Okay, and as you see, it's only this part of the face, because on top when you finish the project you will have the flowers. Okay, so in this case we're going to be working like on this part, okay, not like the ones like 3 rows on top. We're not gonna touch them. Okay, so we're going to go under. Now here I would love to do like something like this, and then the eyelashes. Okay, it all depends on your preference. Okay, so here you can start by, you know, like this side, same on the other side. You're gonna repeat, and I'm pulling now inside. Leave a tail because you're gonna need it. And what I do, I go stitch by stitch. Okay, I don't do it long. I go one by one. See? And then I go here down again, but a little bit on the side. See, here I'm just like moving to the side already. See? And it all depends on how you like it. And remember, I'm working from the inside. And in here, let me do a knot here already, so that the yarn is already secure and doesn't come off. And what I like to do is like pinch it with the same strand of yarn that I'm working. And then go again. And then here I will start going to the side. Now for this video, I'm only going to do one eye, but it's the same step for the other one. Okay, because the other eye, I'm going to use it for the Spanish video. And as you see, I keep on going until I have my eye the way that I want. See, I'm here like halfway, and here I can go up like until here. Then start going up here. And here I think I can do like this. Yes. And here I think I can do like this too. Okay, as soon as you get the hang of it, you can go faster. Now here, I think I'm gonna do one eyelash here. Remember, this is just your preference. You can do more eyelashes or less. And I think I'm gonna do another one, because I think with 3 it looks better. Let me see. Yeah, I like it like that. And see, it all depends on how you like it. See, this one only has 2, and here is like a V shape, but this turned more round, and I like it like that. Okay, so this one is like free for you to do it. I just show you how to do it, and then at the end what you do is the same thing. You just like go in between the stitches and secure your yarn, and that's it for the eyes of the owl. See, and here I have the tail, so I'm gonna use it for securing my yarn too. Remember that all of this is gonna be inside, but since this one is black and it's dark, you don't want it, you know, to see through it. Try to hide the ends where the black part is, like I did here, and then cut it. See, like here and here, and see, all the black stays where the black is. So, and now you're gonna repeat the same thing to the other side. Hope this tutorial helped you do your owls, your unicorn owl eyes. And remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and thanks for the comments. If you have any question or not a comment, just write it below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next tutorial. Bye.